Want to lose belly fat faster? Ever heard of HIIT exercises? You're in the right place to learn how to ignite your fat-burning potential. Today, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, a form of exercise that is making waves in the fitness industry. HIIT is all about short bursts of intense exercise alternated with low-intensity recovery periods. It's not just a trend, science backs it up too. Studies show that HIIT can help you lose fat up to 30% more effectively than traditional long-term aerobic exercises, especially that stubborn belly fat that seems so hard to shed. But what sets HIIT apart? It's the afterburn effect. Even after your workout, your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? So are you ready to turn up the heat on your workout routine? Stay tuned as we explore 10 HIIT exercises that can help you lose belly fat faster. First up, jumping jacks. This classic calisthenic exercise is a great way to get your heart rate up and kickstart your metabolism. To perform a jumping jack, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your arms at your sides. Then, in one swift motion, jump your feet out to the sides and swing your arms above your head. Reverse the move to land gently back in your starting position. That's one repetition. Jumping jacks are an excellent full-body workout. They target a variety of muscle groups simultaneously, including your legs, core, and shoulders. This exercise not only strengthens your muscles, but also improves your cardiovascular health, making your heart stronger and more efficient. In addition, the fast-paced nature of jumping jacks means you're burning calories at a high rate, which is key for weight loss. So, whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or just want to improve your fitness level, jumping jacks are a simple yet effective exercise to start your HIIT workout. Next, we move on to burpees. This exercise is a full-body strength training workout that combines a squat, a plank, a push-up, and a jump into one. Start by standing tall, then bend your knees and place your hands on the floor. Kick back your feet to land in a plank position. Do a push-up, then jump your feet back in and stand up, finishing with a jump into the air. Burpees are the ultimate test of physical fitness, working out your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and abs. Not only do they build strength, they also improve your cardiovascular fitness and flexibility. Moreover, burpees are great for burning fat, as they require a lot of energy, hence burning a lot of calories. They also speed up your metabolism, which helps you burn more calories throughout the day. Burpees are challenging, but the results are worth it. Now, let's get those knees up with high knees. This exercise is simple yet effective. To start, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Swiftly lift your right knee to your chest as high as you can, and then quickly lower it back to the ground. Repeat the movement with your left knee. It's like running in place, but you're trying to lift your knees as high as possible. Aim to keep a brisk pace, and always engage your cores as you do this. High knees are fantastic for several reasons. Firstly, they can significantly improve your speed and agility. Secondly, they enhance your flexibility, making your movements more fluid. Thirdly, they boost your power, particularly in your lower body. This exercise is also an excellent cardiovascular workout, helping to increase your heart rate and burn calories. Remember, consistency is key. The more you do, the better you get. High knees are great for toning your legs and core. Moving on to a challenging one, mountain climbers. This exercise is as intense as it sounds, but don't let that intimidate you. It's all about determination and perseverance. To perform mountain climbers, start in a high plank position. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Then, pull one knee into your chest as close as you can. Switch legs, pulling one knee out and bringing the other knee in. Keep your hips down and run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can. It's like running, but your hands stay on the ground. Mountain climbers are a powerhouse when it comes to burning calories. They engage multiple muscle groups at once, making your body work hard and burn more calories. Additionally, they're a great core strengthening exercise. They target your abs, obliques, and lower back, strengthening your core from every angle. Mountain climbers are tough, but they are excellent for core strengthening. Next, we have push-ups. This classic exercise is a surefire way to get your heart pumping and muscles working. So, how do you execute a perfect push-up? Start in a high plank position, with your palms flat on the ground and in line with your shoulders. Your feet should be hip-width apart. Lower your body until your chest grazes the floor, keeping your back flat and your eyes focused about 3 feet in front of you to maintain a neutral neck. Push your body up, returning to the starting position. Remember, it's all about quality, not quantity. Push-ups are a full-body exercise that targets your arms, chest, and core, providing a comprehensive workout in one simple move. They not only build upper body strength but also enhance cardiovascular health. The constant movement of push-ups increases your heart rate, which helps in burning fat and improving heart health. Push-ups are a classic exercise that are great for overall strength. Let's continue with plank jacks. This exercise is a fantastic blend of the traditional plank and jumping jacks, reaping the benefits of both in a challenging but fun way. To perform plank jacks, start in a high plank position, keeping your body straight and your hands directly beneath your shoulders. Now, just like in a jumping jack, jump your feet out to the sides and then back together. Keep your core engaged and your back flat throughout the movement. This exercise is a powerhouse for strengthening your core, enhancing your balance, and boosting overall body stability. While it primarily targets the abs, the dynamic movement also works your shoulders, chest, and hip muscles, giving you a full body workout. Remember, it's not about speed, but the quality of movement. Take your time, maintain proper form, and keep that core engaged. Plank jacks are a fun yet challenging way to strengthen your core. Up next, squat jumps. Let's dive right into the mechanics of this exercise. Start with your feet hip-width apart, bend your knees, and lower your body into a deep squat position. Now push off with your feet and explode upwards into a jump. The key is to land back softly, immediately lowering into your next squat to continue the exercise. Squat jumps are a full body workout, but the real magic is in the benefits they offer to your legs and core. They help strengthen your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while also engaging your core muscles. Plus, they're a fantastic way to improve your agility. Each jump demands balance, coordination, and power, making it a dynamic exercise that keeps your body guessing. But that's not all. Squat jumps also provide a cardiovascular workout. The quick, explosive movements get your heart rate up, helping you burn more calories and, ultimately, lose belly fat faster. Squat jumps are a great way to incorporate cardio into your strength training. Now, let's do some lunges. Lunges are an incredibly effective lower body workout that not only tone your thighs and buttocks, but also improve your balance and core strength. Here's how to perform a lunge. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with your right foot, keeping your torso upright. Bend your right knee until it's at a 90-degree angle, making sure your knee is directly above your ankle. Your left knee should be bent towards the floor but not touching it. Push back up to your starting position, then repeat with your left foot. Aim for 10 to 15 lunges on each leg. Remember to keep your core engaged and your back straight throughout the entire movement. This will help to improve your balance and prevent any potential injuries. Lunges have the added benefit of being a unilateral exercise, meaning they work one side of your body at a time. This can help to correct any imbalances in your strength and muscle tone. Lunges are a great exercise for toning your lower body. Next up, tuck jumps. Tuck jumps are a fantastic exercise that will make you feel like a kid again, while simultaneously working your whole body. To perform this exercise, start by standing straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. Quickly bend your knees and use your arms to propel you upwards, bringing your knees toward your chest as you jump as high as you can. Try to land softly and spring immediately into your next jump. This exercise is not just about having fun. It's also an excellent way to improve your cardiovascular health. As a high-intensity cardio exercise, tuck jumps can get your heart pumping in no time, improving your stamina and endurance. But that's not all. Tuck jumps also target your lower body muscles, particularly your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. The more you do, the stronger these muscles will become, making everyday tasks easier. Finally, we have skaters. This exercise is a dynamic, full-body workout that targets your lower body and core, while also improving your balance and coordination. To do skaters, start by standing tall, then jump to the right, landing on your right foot and sweeping your left foot behind your right leg. Simultaneously, swing your left arm across your body, then jump to the left, landing on your left foot and sweeping your right foot behind. Continue alternating sides with each jump. Now, why are skaters so great? They engage multiple muscle groups at once, including your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. By doing so, they help tone your lower body and strengthen your core. Plus, the side-to-side jumping movement increases your heart rate, leading to more calories burned. And the best part? They're a fun and enjoyable exercise. Remember to keep your core tight and maintain balance throughout the exercise. Skaters are a fun exercise that can help you lose belly fat faster. There you have it, 10 HIIT exercises to lose belly fat faster. We've covered a wide range of exercises, From the energetic jumping jacks to the intense burpees, the dynamic high knees, and the challenging mountain climbers. And let's not forget the powerful push-ups, the stabilizing plank jacks, the explosive squat jumps, the balancing lunges, the heart-pumping tuck jumps, and last but not least, the agile skaters. Each of these exercises offers unique benefits, targeting different areas while still focusing on burning that stubborn belly fat. They increase your heart rate, improve your endurance, and boost your metabolism, ultimately leading to faster fat loss. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these exercises into your workout routine. Whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening, make time for these exercises. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your routine and you'll see results in no time. Thanks for watching.